To get started, sign in or create your online account and go to Tyres in the main menu. Then, follow the link to the Kwik Fit online booking service. Choose Book Tyres and you'll be shown the most likely tyre size for your vehicle. If you can, you should make a note of this and check it against the tyres on your vehicle. Once you're happy the correct size has been selected, click the tyre size to move forward. Next, you'll need to confirm which tyres you'd like replacing before moving on to make an appointment. You can book to go to a Kwik Fit centre or arrange a mobile appointment. It will automatically show appointments in the nearest centre to your home address, but you can change to another location if you're away from home. Choose a date that works for you and your preferred appointment time, then reserve your appointment. Your personal details will populate, so you'll just need to check and update them if anything is incorrect before continuing. You'll only need to enter your full address if you're choosing a mobile appointment. Finally, you'll have a chance to review your booking and will need to read and accept the terms and conditions before finishing your booking. Your appointment will then be confirmed on screen and you'll get an email confirmation sent to the same email address you used to create your online account. If you need to change or cancel your appointment, you can easily do this through your online account too.